Welcome to the English Expressions lesson series from Daily English Vocabulary. Today's expression is, once in a blue moon. It is an idiom. Once in a blue moon means something that happens very rarely. We can use this when talking about rare events, describing something that almost never happens, saying someone doesn't do something often. Examples: we go to the beach once in a blue moon. He visits his hometown once in a blue moon. I eat fast food once in a blue moon. Now it's your turn. Can you use today's expression in a sentence? Write it in the comments below. Please subscribe and join with us for more lessons.